Start by attaching the torsion blocks in between the rows using the 16mm bolts and threaded straps. There are 110 and 120mm long bolts. It's not important which you use for this application. If you have a narrow row head, remove 2 of the gearbox bolts and 1 strap from one side. Attach the torsion block with the 120mm bolts going into the gearbox. Then use the 110mm bolts to attach the other side of the torsion block under the row unit using the threaded strap. Do not use the 120mm bolts here or it will damage the gearbox. Install the arm on one side of the torsion block and the spacer on the other side. Attach it with the 3/4 inch bolt and a thick washer on each side. Install the square tube that holds the roller using the U-bolts and lock nuts. Ensure that the tab that supports the bearing is on the back side or towards the combine. Put the shim washer over the square shaft on the roller, followed by the bearing, making sure the protruding side of the bearing is facing the roller. Attach it with 1/2 inch bolts and lock nuts.
This was a very quick video to help illustrate the installation procedures for the stock Devastator. For more in-depth steps to help with your installation, you can check out our manual section on our website. Plus, we do have longer videos that go over each step more in depth to help with the installation process. Thank you for watching.